Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss IP addressing and subnetting. An IP address is an address used to uniquely identify a device on an IP network. The address is made up of 32 binary bits which can be divisible into a network portion and host portion with the help of a subnet mask. 32 binary bits are broken into 4 octets. Dotted decimal format. As shown in figure. Class A. The first octet is the network portion. Octets 2, 3, and 4 are for subnets, hosts. Class B. The first 2 octets are the network portion. Octets 3 and 4 are for subnets, hosts. Class C. The first 3 octets are the network portion. Octet 4 is for subnets, hosts. Class A private IP range from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Then Class B private IP range from 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. Then Class C private IP range from 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. Network mask distinguishes which portion of the address identifies the network and which portion of the address identifies the node. Default masks are as follows: Class A, 255.0.0.0. Class B, 255.255.0.0. Class C, 255.255.255.0. Subnetting is the technique of dividing a large IP network into smaller, more manageable subnetwork subnets. In IPv4, every IP address is made of 32 bits, split into 2 parts. Network part identifies the overall network. Host part identifies individual devices, computers, laptop, servers, routers inside that network. Subnetting works by borrowing bits from the host portion and using them to create additional network bits. This lets you create multiple smaller networks from one big network. Subnetting controls the number of hosts allowed in each subnet. Therefore, it improves security, efficiency, and performance of the network. Take the network as example 192.168.1.0. This is Class C address, so default last 8 bits are used for host addresses. From that, 2 bits are used for subnetting with 4 combination 00011011. As we want to make 4 subnet, this gives total 256 addresses. First subnet 0 to 63. Similarly, other 3 network address are shown. Each subnet has 62 usable host types. First is reserved for network ID, last for broadcast. Why use subnetting? 1. Efficient use of IP addresses. 2. Reduces congestion by limiting broadcast traffic. 3. Increases network security by isolating groups. 4. Makes troubleshooting